got his fucking speaker?
Oh, shit,
in the
fuck.
car. You can hook that up in the car.
Hold that. Pretty close to that. Too close to
Yeah. Shut up, man.
Yeah.
You don't already know what to do, baby. It's your boy High Troll for sure, Young Troll. 314, all I know, baby.
Yeah.
Mike Millie in the building, you know what I'm saying?
Straight East Money Gang.
Straight East Money Gang, you know what I'm saying? Also down with FGM, both sides, you understand? So shit. Nigga, we gonna go ahead and do it like this one time, you know?
Oh yeah.
Bang
On that
bang.
hot shit, we just fucking around. Tell us if y'all like this.
No written shit, man.
I'm off the draw, I'm too equipped, and how I feel is detrimental to a nigga living conditions, cause nigga instrumentals couldn't stress just how I feel when I be scoping with that llama. Hit a nigga so damn proper, have his mama eating pasta, papa ripping on the floor. So they understand I go, and I was bred off in that humble grave, that's from that 314. Nigga came up out that waterways and still be scummy dummy. Nigga talking on that fraudulent where we about our money. Over here we never spoil, we got some booze, we got some bars. I got some niggas with some cars that quit the chop and make some noise. I was slurred off on the beat, probably going up off that herb. And now my youngest niggas out here say they ain't worried about a word. Niggas said they wanna holler, see they serving off some birds and shit. They all about the fetish shit, they wanna cop some herb. Now these niggas on that slab and say they want the 2 for 3. Well shit, that 2 go 25, so niggas shit you talk is cheap. Price is easy, how I get it. Niggas greasy on that flow and shit. You meet me in the trap and understand that's how shit go. Man, I'm off up in that Lou and 314 is high spot. My nigga gotta rep the block, so here's time up off the top.
It's off the top and watch a nigga gone and drop it. AK gone ahead and pop and watch that nigga body drop. The Subaru talking, get the sparking. Yes, my young niggas be hawking. If you get it twisted, I'ma grip the fifth and get the spark.
You know what it is.
Now what it is, what it ain't. You ain't bout that life. I grip the pipe, bet your bitch she gonna take the pipe. I dig her down, told the youngin, gonna flip it right. But if a nigga flip a spit 16 in that bitch ignite. I let them bitches know about the dope, but I ain't never tryna cuff a lover hoe. I got my dope, that's all I fucking love. And yes, I'm married to the game. Hit mob, Straight East Money Gang and FGM I claim. And if you niggas get the talking, swear to God I split your brains. Breaking down the swisher, watch a nigga go insane. But if you get it twisted, I'ma get off in your brain and get up in your mental and make that shit just straight suspenseful.
I be breaking down these switches in the lab with my niggas. Some of y'all niggas don't smoke, so shit, it's time to buy some liquor. Throwing money in the air, sipping Jose Cuervo Silver. Ain't no going out to eat, cause when you ballin', they deliver. I'm fresh, focused. I'm barely on swag now. Live life in the fast, steady. I'm seeking my cash. Niggas be talking irrelevant, hectic through situations. Nigga, I'm steady scoping patiently, using motivation. From these